Hello, everybody. This is Team BM³, which consists of Bohdan, me, Mathew, and Mathew, and and this is our final project called GPTeacher.
GPTeacher is a tailored AI system utilizing the OpenAI API to provide students with personalized learning and to help them learn any subject quickly and effectively.
So here's a quick demo.
We will show how GPTeacher is a great tool for testing your knowledge on a subject. So I have a PDF here. It's essentially a quick algebra review. It has some basic problems. And what we're going to do is we're going to upload this file to GPTeacher. And we're going to have it generate a diagnostic test to gauge our ability on this topic. Essentially what this is doing is it's doing a retrieval augmented generation on our document to generate questions that are relevant to what you're studying. So we'll let it think here a little bit. All right. So I'm just going to solve one of these just to one or two of these just to give an idea here. So for example, we have this one where you can kind of just write this out maybe. All right. And for the rest of these, I think I might just leave them blank. So I'll just say something like, I don't know. And I'll kind of copy this throughout. Just gonna maybe I'll answer this one as well. Let's say x equals to 1 or x equals to -5. Yeah, for the rest, I'm just gonna write I don't know. And then what's cool is once you're done, you can click submit and GPTeacher will grade your work. All right, so let's take a look here. So obviously for all the ones that I said I don't know, we didn't get a good score, but if you look here, it gave me a score of 4. It says you presented a solid approach to solving the equation, but double check your calculations and ensure clarity at each. So that's basically it's saying that I need to do a better job of explaining my work. But overall, it was satisfied for performance. And here, I mean, same thing, but in the interest of time, I didn't really, expand a lot on my work. But as you can see, it correctly graded the question that I completed, and all the other ones that it gave score 1 because I didn't do them well. But essentially, the current state of this tool is it allows you to test effectively any document that you have. It allows you to test your understanding of it. And it's a really cool demonstration of how RAG can be used effectively as a study tool.
Here are the tools and technologies we use to create GPTeacher. So for front end, we used Next.js, React.js, and Material UI. For the back end, we used Node.js. For the AI, we used OpenAI's API. For deployment, we deployed it on Vercel. And for version control, we used GitHub. And the power of GPTeacher. First of all, it's efficient. It instantly generates content for users to study. It also generates diagnostic tests so that users can continuously learn and improve. And finally, it's personalized to each user. So the AI will help the users with their weaknesses.
So for the OpenAPI, we're using the GPT-4o Mini, and for the system prompt, when we're generating the questions, it includes the text version of the material uploaded, and it includes the user's answers to generate a score and feedback on the when you're submit your answers. Then for Vercel, we hosted the app on Vercel, giving a subdomain so people can access it. We had to fix build issues due to TypeScript definitions that don't show up in running dev. And also there's a 10-second API request limit for the free plan on Vercel, meaning that unless you have a very, very small document, after 10 seconds, the API will just cut and it will just the loading GIF will just be there indefinitely. We will probably upgrade to Pro when we're done with this project, where it generates entire courses instead of just a diagnostic test. You have the link right over here in case you still want to try it, even though it won't work.
So future improvements we can make include coursework input methods, such as uploading for videos or a YouTube link. We're also planning on having the ability to generate content by generating content tailored to users' needs. And another one is pre-cached textbooks, which would be the ability to load in textbooks on popular subjects. And some other future improvements we had was the ability to actually share the courses you generate, to distribute courses created to others and let them see it as well. Generate flashcards based on the content uploaded by textbooks. and spaced repetition quizzes, which generates quizzes intermittently for effective review when it's once again based on courses you create. Thank you.